All right, Obsidian Hobby Football, box number 3. Both teams on the right. We are still Color Blast chasing out the case. Could this be the box? Nah, you're good, Jason. Yeah, let's rock it tomorrow night. Clippers putting it on the Cavs. So, yeah, all eBay players are going tomorrow night. '92 club. That's probably gonna be a fun rip. Have you ripped any yet, or is it bricked at all? Alright, it's good look. Oh, Josie Jewell. Silver for the Panthers. Kick it off. It's Eric. 31/75. JJ, 299. Good starts. So rookie jersey auto. See it from Minnesota. GB. Nice hit, Todd. Jalen Ford. So rookie Cosmic Storm auto. It's for the Saints. New Orleans, Sam. And Seawill, nice eruption jersey. Unnumbered. The silver jersey. It's for Chi-Town. GB. That's Todd. George Kittle, 15/99. So 3-color. The Silver Flood. That's a sweet card. There's San Fran Mito. And Brendan Rice, the eruption rookie jersey. Los Angeles Chargers. Charge Sam. And closing out the box, the old school Charles Haley, Nick Bosa. Cool Eclipsing Legends. So a duel for San Fran. One for you, Mito. Unnumbered. Color Blast is still live in the case. Box 4 is up. See if we can rip another one tonight. Go JJ, can I say GB? Draft players finish nights. Yes sir, tomorrow night, Daniel. That'll be, I think that's the last eBay break we have. So we start them at 11. I think Prism Draft is the last one. Yeah, whatever order it is in the description, that's how the order. We'll rip them tomorrow night. You know it.